In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per day with this teleprompter. Yes, I am going to show you how even beginners can start making money with affiliate marketing. And believe me, it's actually not that difficult. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how this teleprompter, a product that I have laying around my house that barely gets used, actually could help me make $100 per day. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com, and as a successful affiliate marketer, I have made money with everything from security cameras to soundbars, stand mixers, web hosting, and even online courses. If you want real affiliate marketing tips, tricks, and tactics, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with products that we already own. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, I'm going to take you step by step through the process of making money online with affiliate marketing. There's 2 ways to do it. I'm going to talk about both ways, but you can be successful with any method. Now, believe it or not, this will work for any product, any service, any niche. If you are interested in basket weaving, this is going to work for you. If you're interested in microphones, this is going to work for you. So make sure you watch this entire video. The first thing that we want to do is we want to decide, do we want to promote based on a product like that teleprompter I showed you, or do we want to promote based on a problem? Again, either way will work. In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote based on that product. Now, I grabbed that product off of Amazon. There are millions, there are hundreds of thousands. There are thousands of affiliate programs out there that you could promote, and it's actually really easy to find them. You can go over to your computer, as you can see on my computer, and you can just type in something like your niche or your product and affiliate program. For example, I'm just going to type in teleprompter affiliate program, and you're going to see that there are a bunch of different affiliate programs that pop out. And what you're going to want to do is simply apply to them. Now, what I would want to do is find the manufacturer of that teleprompter and apply to become an affiliate. It'll take maybe 24 to 48 hours, maybe a week at the latest, and you'll get a yes or no. If you're accepted, you're going to get unique affiliate links, unique URLs that you can place anywhere and everywhere. But there's a strategic way to do it so that you're not just spamming or spraying and praying, okay? And so what we're going to do is we're going to talk about each one of those steps. But what you can do is you can apply to become an affiliate with Amazon. It's the largest affiliate network in the world. Or you can go out and find the actual manufacturer of that teleprompter and apply to become an affiliate. Now, that's one way, using a product. If you are going to promote based on a problem, you can think about all the problems that you've experienced recently and how you solve those problems. For example, if, I don't know, you needed to change your oil, a recent problem that I had, I could go online and look for different ways to change my oil, or the supplies that I need to get my oil changed, or different companies that will change your oil. And that's a different way that you could go about becoming an affiliate and making money that way. But we're going to go with the first way. We're going to use a product. Now that we have a product, we need to think of the different problems that that product solves. So what if we just thought about real quick, what are some things that will solve that product or problem? For example, for that teleprompter, that's for people that want to be successful on YouTube. Maybe they don't like just talking straight into the camera. They want a little bit of assistance. They want a script to go after. So we could think about those type of people. We can think about people that actually know about that product and they just want to make sure that it's the right solution for them. We also could go after people that are aware of that product and their competitors. So let's jump back into the computer and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. What we can do is we can use YouTube for an example, but we can do this exact same thing anywhere, with a blog, with TikTok, with Instagram, Facebook Reels, it all works. This is a tried and true method that will work, and it doesn't matter of the platform. It doesn't matter if this is 1995 or 2005 or 2025. The process that I'm going to show you actually works. So what we can do is we can jump over to YouTube and we can type in something like Glide Gear TMP 100 review. You're going to notice that there are tens of thousands of people that want to know if this is a solid product for their needs. Is it going to solve the problem that they have? And if we look on the screen, 13,000 views. The one below it, 71,000 views from 3 years ago, 211,000 reviews for that teleprompter. And we just typed in the name of the product and review after. And what you'd want to do is you'd simply just create a video answering the question, is it a quality product? Does it work? Does it suit the needs? And then at the end of the video, you're going to say, hey, look, if you want to purchase this product, click the link in the description. When they click the link, it'll take them over to the actual product. They buy the product and you earn a commission, but that's just one way. And this is what I call the bottom of the funnel. The people at the bottom of the funnel, they know the problem and they know the solution. The problem is that they want to create better YouTube videos, or they want to, maybe they want to just have a teleprompter lying around the house, whatever it may be. And the solution, or the solution that they've decided on, is the Glide Gear TMP 100. And so they've gone to Google, or they've gone to YouTube, or even TikTok, and they've typed in Glide Gear TMP 100 review. Okay, so that's one way. This is the bottom of the funnel. We can take a step up in the funnel where there's going to be a wider audience, and we can type in something like Glide Gear TMP 100 and versus. So we type in versus like this, and as you can see on the screen here, it says Glide Gear TMP 100 versus 500. So people are comparing the different types of teleprompters, okay? And what you're going to see here is there are going to be more views and more opportunities. There are more opportunities because you can compare other types of teleprompters. So if I knew of the 10 teleprompters that were in their class, I could do a video comparing each one of those. And you can see, once again, people are simply just comparing the strengths and weaknesses. And at the end, you could say, hey, look, if you want to get the TMP 100, click the first link in the description. If you like the TMP 500 instead, go ahead and click the second link. You could be an affiliate for both and make money there. But you can see here that comparison. So versus this versus that, Bluehost versus GoDaddy, iPhone versus Android. These are all things that your target audience are typing in because they want to know which one is right for them. And once again, you can be an affiliate and make money. And this is probably the second to the bottom part of the funnel. If we move up a step, people are looking for things like best X for Y or best X under Y. Okay, for example, we could say best teleprompter. As you can see on the screen here, best teleprompter for gets us a wider audience and wider questions. So you can see best teleprompter for YouTube videos, best teleprompter for iPhone, for Android, for Zoom meetings, for YouTube videos, Hindi, for Windows. You can see people are asking for their needs. And this is a little bit wider, as I mentioned, because you can actually put together a list of the 5 or 6 best teleprompters for YouTube videos. And then at the end, you can recommend the TMP 100 if that's what you think is the best, or you can actually put links to all of them. You can see that this works for anything. We could type in something like best stand mixer, mixer for, and then you can see, once again, there are lots of questions that people are asking for baking, for pizza dough, for home use, bread dough, cookie dough, for the money. People are asking these questions, right? So there's going to be a wider group of people that are asking these types of questions. Now, what's happening when you're creating these videos? People are either going out and they're making a purchase, or they're deciding that this isn't the right situation for them. So the reason why the bottom of the funnel is at the bottom of the funnel is the smallest is because it's the smallest group of people. People are selecting either the product that you're recommending, or they're realizing that it isn't as big of a need as they wanted, or they're just buying something else. So at the bottom, we have review. A step up, we have comparisons. A step above that, we have best X for Y. We can also look at best X under Y. So for example, if we did best stand mixer, we could do best stand mixer under $100, spelled under wrong. Best stand mixer under $100, $200, $50. Again, these people understand what their solution is. They just want it to fit their budget. And they're trying to, massage the search results so that they can get what they want, have their problem solved, and still buy the product that they need. So what you can do, once again, is put together a list of the 5 or 6 best stand mixers under an X amount of money. You put that list together, put it in the description of your video. If you're doing a blog post, you can put together a list of 10 and then link out to Amazon or KitchenAid or any other affiliate program. You could do teleprompter as well. They probably don't have a bunch of search results. So we're going to do teleprompter. Best teleprompter under, didn't see any results here. This is more of a kind of like a luxury item. And so there aren't really going to be people that are asking for a price. But I looked here, best teleprompter under. Let's get rid of 4 there. Best teleprompter under. Let's try $1,000. Hit enter. And let's see here. it doesn't look like that we got any results that are quite on target. Like I said, for this type of product, it's more of a luxury type of thing that you don't necessarily need. That's why that stand mixer was a little bit better example. But what we can do next is move up a step in the funnel even more. And this is where you're going to create like who, what, when, where, why, and how type content. For our teleprompter example, we could create something like how to make better YouTube videos. Okay. And this is going to be the widest part of the funnel. It's going to be at the very top. It's when people first realize that they have a problem. Maybe they're not getting as many YouTube subscribers as they want. They don't have as many YouTube views. And so people are going to type in questions like how to make better YouTube videos. As you can see, there's a lot of competition here. There's also a lot of search results. Top result, 59,000 views, 214,000 views. So if you were to create this type of video, you're going to put together a list of maybe 5 or 6 ways that you can make better YouTube videos. And one of those ways is going to be get a teleprompter. If you're stuttering a lot, you might want to get a teleprompter is going to be one of the ways to promote that. And then you're going to say, hey, look, if you want my #1 recommended teleprompter for YouTubers, click the link in the bio or click the link in the description. And then that's how you can earn a commission. But again, this works for anything. You could say something like how to bake a cake. How to bake a cake. And once again here, you're gonna see that there are lots and lots of views, but it's also really competitive. The most amazing vanilla cake recipe has 1.2 million views from a year ago, 14 million views, 58 million views. You can see that there are a lot of views there, but this is the widest grouping of questions or problems. It's also very basic. And this is, you can actually grab people here as well. So the way to start affiliate marketing as a beginner is to first identify a product that you want to promote or a problem that you want to solve. The second is to go out and figure out the types of questions your target audience is asking. And in this video I showed you, they're asking review, they're asking comparison, so X versus Y. They're also doing best X under Y, so they want to find a product that meets their budget. They're also looking for their needs, so like best X for Y, best stand mixer for baking bread. And then at the very top, they're asking questions like how to bake a cake or how to bake bread, or how to bake a cake without eggs is a very popular one. But once you understand that, you can make the content to solve those problems, and then that's where you make money. You just add in your affiliate links where needed. I recommend that you get a website, but you don't need a website to get started, especially if you're using YouTube. You can link directly out, but that's probably Affiliate Marketing 201. So now that you know how to start affiliate marketing as a complete beginner, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with products that you already own. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.